rotisserie chicken. So this is my food for today. And banana. That's it, everyone. And thank you for watching. Ayan, so ito yung rotisserie chicken. Ngayon, i-slice ko siya kasi whole chicken to. Ayan. 1 whole of rotisserie chicken. So ito yung slice ko ngayon. Ayan. Kasi malaki ito.